it'll be one of those things where the mass adoption will take some time, but it's interesting to be speaking about it now. And it's really fascinating to be thinking through all the things that, and all the benefits and the negatives that are going to occur with anything, because there's pros and cons with anything. But this was a very enlightening topic and discussion, JL. Thanks for bringing it up to our attention, man.
Before I leave the interview, I just want both, and right now there's a lot of hype, like anything. There's a lot of misinformation out there. And, if you're an investor, just do your due diligence, buy artwork from artists that you actually like and that you don't mind actually holding the NFT versus mere speculation. If you are speculating, invest what you're okay with losing, right? And if you're an artist, I'd say it's okay to, I'm not going to judge you whether you do NFT or not. There are a lot of people that, judge people one way or the other, but, build an audience, right? People like YouTube celebrities that also sell NFTs that make a lot of money, like Logan Paul, right? And he kind of released his own version and he made millions of dollars, not really based on the art, but based on the audience. And that's what I'm trying to, tell artists out there is that, focus on good art, focus on building an audience, because that audience, if you really look at people, he built the audience. And then Logan Paul, he built the audience, right? And it's really that audience. People want to buy NFTs from people that they trust and that they care about, no matter what the content or the quality of the content, if that makes sense, right? So, if you are looking as an artist to get into NFTs, just put in the time to build an audience, because not everybody's going to sell for millions of dollars, right? There is a misconception with artists that they're going to create an NFT and it's going to be the next Beeple, right? Just because it's NFT. Doesn't work like that. You got to put in the work. You got to put in the time to build in the audience. And then the marketplace is going to dictate whether your art is good enough or whether it should sell for X amount. But you need that original attraction from your audience, if that makes sense.
Yeah, of course. Yep. No, I mean, I totally get that. Huge piece of it. But as an artist, you now have more opportunities to create and provide your content and your genius and your value to the world. And you also get to determine initially your value, right? You get to determine how much you're going to be selling it for, how many pieces you're selling. Are you selling one? Are you selling 100? Why, whom, for how much? And being able to build your tribe, be able to build the group of people that love you and care about you and want to support you and just love what you do. Very similar to you, man. I mean, you make content on a weekly basis.